Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mata once again from Kenya in Africa. In today's video, I want to say thank you for always coming back to watch my YouTube videos. Please, if you are new here, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Guys, thank you so much. The number is really increasing. Please don't pass without subscribing. Welcome again. In today's video, if you want to know how to bake cake, we are going to bake a vanilla cake and a strawberry cake. But as per now, we are going to start with a vanilla cake. If you're a beginner, please, this is the right channel for you. And if you have any question, please comment down there so that I can go through it and I can assist you. And today we are not going to use milk in baking. We are not going to use warm water. Many people use warm water or milk. Today we are going to use a condensed milk, which is this one here, mala. Okay, you can go for pure mala, which is not sweetened. This one is sweetened, meaning it is addition of sugar inside it. But you can go for a plain mala if you want. The reason why I love this, it's had sugar into the cake, another flavor, which is so nice. But you can use yogurt depending on the flavor you're going to bake. In my case, I'm going to bake vanilla cake, but I'm not going to use mala. I'm not going to use yogurt. I'm going to use mala. But if I could be using yogurt, I was going to go with the vanilla flavor. Make sure you read here very keenly before you buy one, because you can buy vanilla yet you're going to bake strawberry. Please go for the flavored yogurt. Don't go for the plain yogurt. Advantage of the flavored yogurt is that it's had some flavor to your cake. So welcome and stay tuned so that we can continue. Here we have some ingredients. This is a 1 kg cake, and this is a dry ingredient. You must mix dry and wet ingredient. I want to do it as a lower way of baking so that I can help a beginner outside there. Please, if you have containers like this one, fine and good, you can use. But we are just going to use normal things which you can easily get from your house. Today I'm going to use hand mixture, but if you don't have hand mixture, please, you can still use a cooking stick. That is where we came from. But today we are going to use hand mixture, and we are going to bake it in the oven. If you're a beginner and you don't have an oven, please comment down there so that we can go through together to bake in a jiko. It is also wonderful. You see, everything you have to start from somewhere for you to reach somewhere. But so today we are going to use what I have right now: hand mixture, oven, and some of the stuffs here. In the baking flour, we have mixed the baking powder inside it. We have mixed the, I normally use this one here, guys. It is so nice. Mixed spice. Don't let your cake to be a plain cake. Mix this one with it. Actually, you can add it with the dry ingredient. It is so nice. And I'm going to use a vanilla essence because my cake is going to be a vanilla cake. So I'm going to use a vanilla essence. This one, guys, this. After that, we are not going to use this one, yogurt, but we are going to use a condensed milk. This one here. So it is going to be amazing. We are going to use eggs, because I'm going to bake 1 kg cake. I'm going to use 4 eggs, but I'm going to go an extra of 1. So I'm going to use only white egg. I'm going to remove yolk outside our wet ingredient. So if you put a white egg, it's going to be more moisture and it's going to be nice. You will love it. Actually, from there we are going to use sugar. Actually, here I've just mixed sugar with butter and we are going to mix it together. And you have to prepare everything before you start baking so that you cannot forget any step. Here I've just dusted my baking tin and it is amazing. This is a 1 kg tin. I've dusted it. The reason of dusting it, so that if your cake is ready, it cannot stick in the baking tin. Thank you so much, guys. So let's get into it together. As you can see, I'm going to start by beating sugar and butter. After that, I'm going to use vanilla essence and pineapple essence. Vanilla essence, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and pineapple, I'm going to use a tablespoon of pineapple essence. And after that, we are going to mix it thoroughly until our mixture becomes white and more soft. After that, we are going to take our 5 eggs. One, we are going to use only white egg without an yolk. Just the way I'm doing it, guys. Be very keen and observe. When preparing all this, please make sure that your oven is preheated at 360 degrees. This is how I separate my white egg from the yolk. If you have a white egg separator, is fine and good. But if you don't have one, please be very careful when separating white egg from yolk manually. After that, you mix it thoroughly and you put it aside. I'm going to mix our dry ingredient with white ingredient using our cooking stick so that it cannot over whipped. After that, I'm going to use the condensed milk so that it can be more loose. Before that, you shake it well and make sure it is well shaked. After that, I'm going to mix it again. Please mix it, but don't over mix it. Then we pour it inside our dust tin. Guys, after that, you are going to reduce the degree of our oven to 280 degrees, and then you put your ready-made mixture inside the oven for 40 minutes. So this is the end of our video today, guys. If you love the video, please show me love by subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, comment down there so that I can answer you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.